Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can rotate an image on Google Slides. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Google Slides. So the first thing that we're gonna do is add source a new presentation. So you have, as you can see guys right here, the blank one. So you can add a blank presentation, and right here you're gonna find some templates. You can also click on Templates Gallery in order to expand the templates list. You can select any templates from this list if you like to use it. For example, I'm gonna select this template, and as you can see, guys, now it's loading as, and now the template has loaded. So, for example, I'm gonna go to this little plus arrow and click Add New Slide. As you can see, guys, the slide right now is empty. So I'm gonna go right here, for example, to insert, and the rest you're gonna find image, text box, and so on. You can insert anything. So I'm gonna go to upload from computer and then choose an image, for example, this one. And as you can see, guys, now it's added. So if you hold click with the mouse and drag it to any place, you can change the location of the image. You can click on these little dots in the corner to change the size of the image. You can also stretch it by these dots in the middle. And in order to rotate the image, as you can see guys right here, you're gonna find a dot. You can just hold click and then uh, you can drag it to the left or to the right in order to rotate it. For example, I rotate it like this to the left, down, and I'm gonna rotate it back up. There is also the reset image option right here if you want to reset the image. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.